Matthew. Yes, we carry high-end car parts for Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Maserati, Aston Martin, and Alfa Romeo. My name is Brandon Sadowski. My father founded Alpine Performance in 2008. It started as a small operation with just 2 other employees, selling wheels and tires on Craigslist, has grown.
Thank you for calling Alpine Performance. How can I help you?
Yes, sir. Your Maserati pads are in stock.
Yes, we have Bentley control arms in stock.
My name is Christopher Perez. I am the store manager. My job consists of operations, making sure everything runs smoothly, and orders get shipped out promptly.
Yes, this is the wholesale department. How can I help you?
My name is Matthew, and I'm head of the shipping department.
Looks like your order is ready to get shipped out today.
My name is Jorge Clooney. I'm the warehouse manager. I'm in charge of inventory and stocking.
Is this the order?
For the Maserati?
Yeah.
My name is Jay. I'm in charge of shipping and receiving operations here at Alpine. Your package is my priority.
Hey, my name is Peter McBride. I'm the service manager here at Alpine. Thank you for calling Alpine. Your wholesale account is now set up and ready to go. To help our customers not break bank on service parts that we provide.
My name is Martin Sadowski. I work since day one for Alpine Performance.
My name is Iris Sadowski. I'm Luke's wife. I work at Alpine since before Alpine. I'm the office manager.
My name is Alexis Sadowski. I oversee the marketing department and support my father.
My name is Luke Sadowski. I'm the CEO of Alpine Performance.
Believe it or not, my father's big break came when he was purchasing some Bentley fenders, which ended up being a really profitable deal. That experience sparked an idea, buying crashed Bentleys and parting them out. Then my mom suggested selling aftermarket parts. First, it didn't really seem like the best idea. Who would want to put aftermarket parts on their Bentley or Rolls-Royce? But we realized we could offer premium quality parts at a fraction of the dealer price. Around 2019, I started getting more involved with daily operations, and Alpine was on a new path.
Thank you for calling Alpine. Your order is in.
Thank you. Focusing on high-quality service parts from luxury car brands like Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Maserati, Aston Martin, and Alfa Romeo. We specialize in sourcing hard-to-find, high-value components. Thank you. COVID-19 hit, we made a strategic decision to heavily invest in inventory. We knew that there would be a global shortage in the automotive parts industry. So we positioned ourselves to invest in as much inventory as we possibly could, which did prove to be the right decision. Because as we all know, many companies are out of stock. Today, Alpine has grown to 6 different departments and has over 500,000 parts in stock. At any given time, we maintain an inventory of 100,000 sets of brake pads and rotors. Alpine Performance, #1 distributor of high-end vehicle car parts worldwide.